Assalamualaikum and hi, thank you for watching my video. My name is IZZUAN HAFIZI bin Adam. I'm from J4BA117 4J. Today, I will present about green logistic in Post Malaysia regarding in my study in TPT280. First of all, Post Malaysia is a courier company that provide mail delivery, logistic and so on. This company being an important role nowadays to connect people through relevant delivery solutions. So, moving on to the main topic, which is green logistic. Nowadays, Post Malaysia introduced a new smart motorcycle that using EV technology to replace the commercial motorcycle. The main goal are to protect energy saving and try to keep the clear environment with air pollution from commercial motorcycle. We are able to see this EV cycle in rural area, just like in Johor Bahru and Kuala Lumpur. Next is the company initiative, which is electric vehicle fleet. In Malaysia, now have 1,500 electric in Malaysia logistics sector, one of the biggest EV fleet in Malaysia. Other than that, renewable energy and green building. Post Malaysia already has solar power system in several facilities to reduce on non-renewable energy. Moreover, fleet optimization and smart logistics. Post Malaysia use road optimization to improve delivery efficiency and reduce fuel usage. Lastly, environment and social impact. Post Malaysia help to reduce pollution and improve urban air quality. Next, I will explain ethical consideration. First, environmental responsibility. Post Malaysia is committed to reducing its environmental impact by adopting electric vehicle and increasing the use of renewable energy. This effort help lower carbon emission and support Malaysia's sustainability goals while minimizing environmental damage caused by logistic operation. Second, corporate social responsibility. As a national postal service provider, Post Malaysia has a responsibility to serve community throughout the country, including rural and less profitable area. This ensure equal access to delivery services and demonstrate the company commitment to social welfare and inclusivity. Lastly, compliance with sustainable standards. Post Malaysia aligns its operation with environmental, social and governance or ESG principle by implementing sustainable management practices and green infrastructure. The company strengthen its corporate reputation. Next, I will explain about the ethical challenge. The first challenge is the high cost of EV implementation. Post Malaysia need to invest a large amount of money to purchase electric vehicle and install supporting facilities. This can be difficult, especially for Post Malaysia with limited budget. The second challenge is the limited charging infrastructure. EVs requires charging station to operate efficiently. However, not all Post Malaysia have enough charging facilities, which may affect daily operation and vehicle availability. The third challenge is operational reliability and maintenance concern. Since EV technology is still developing, Post Malaysia may face issues related to battery performance, charging time, and maintenance requirement. This impacts service efficiently. Next, I will explain the proposed strategy to face by Post Malaysia in implementing green logistic initiative. The first strategy is to expand EV charging infrastructure. Post Malaysia can collaborate with government agency and private companies to increasing the number of EV charging stations in nationwide. This will support the wider use of electric delivery vehicle and can improve operational efficiency. The second strategy is to increase the renewable energy usage. This company can install solar panels at logistic hub and post office to reduce electricity costs and lower carbon emission, contributing to a more sustainable operation. The third strategy is to improve green packaging. Post Malaysia can encourage the use of recyclable and biodegradable packaging material to minimize waste generation and reduce the environmental impact of its delivery service. Lastly, post-measure should provide sustainability training for employees. Regular environmental awareness program can help employees understand green logistic practices, strengthen workplace ethics, and ensure that sustainability goals are achieved effectively. Post-measure, green logistics is becoming increasingly important in Malaysia due to growing environmental concerns and the rapid expansion of the logistic industry. Post Malaysia has already taken positive steps by introducing initiatives such as electric vehicle, renewable energy solution, and smart logistic technologies. This initiative not only help reduce environmental impact but also improve operational efficiency and lower long-term costs. However, to ensure sustainable success, ethical consideration must remain a priority by focusing on responsibility, integrity, and sustainability. Post-measure can overcome operational and environmental challenges more effectively. In conclusion, the proposed such strategy and ethical practice will support post-Malaysia long-term growth while contributing to a greener, more sustainable future for Malaysia's transportation